Blizzard warnings continue until 5 a.m. Thursday for most of western South Dakota. Here in Sturgis, this is what we've seen all morning. Trucks coming in, getting loaded up with snow with a giant snow blower, and then they take it just about 2 blocks away and dump it out. So they've been kind of snow clearing and getting the snow off the streets here. This is Main Street. Temperatures today, once again, in the upper teens. That's 20 degrees below average. The wind chill about 0. And there's going to be more wind and snow through tonight into Thursday. That's going to impact travel. Already, I-90 is still shut down since yesterday. A big stretch of it from Chamberlain to the Wyoming line. That's over 250 miles. A cold air mass, even colder next week for most of this part of the world. I'm meteorologist Mike Seidel, the Weather Channel, in downtown Sturgis, South Dakota.